So let's have a look to all the endocrine glands present in a human body. So this is a pineal gland, this is hypothalamus and pituitary gland, parathyroid gland and thyroid gland. These two are same. This is thymus present in upper side of lungs. This is pancreas, adrenal gland present above kidney, and the pancreas are present below stomach, and these are two ovaries present in the female body, and these are two testes present in the male body. So what is endocrine gland? A group of endocrine gland which produce various hormones is called endocrine gland. The endocrine system is also called hormonal system. We will now discuss the endocrine system in human in detail. In addition to nervous system, the endocrine system also help in coordinating the activities of our body. The endocrine system in our body consists a number of gland or tissue which make, store and release chemical called hormones. There are large number of endocrine glands in the human body. The endocrine gland present in the human body are pineal gland, hypothalamus gland, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, pancreas, adrenal gland, testes, and ovaries. The position of all these endocrine glands in the human body are shown in figure. As you can see, all the endocrine glands are present in the human body. There are vital kind of glands present in brain. This is in present in neck area, the thoracic cavity, and those all cavity which are present in the human body. So the endocrine gland are located in different part of body, as we can see in figure. The endocrine gland are located in the head, neck, trunk of our body. Different endocrine gland make different type of hormones which act on a different organ of a body. The working of endocrine gland is controlled by the nervous system. The hormones produced by endocrine gland act as a messenger between the nervous system and the organ of our body. We will now take an example of adrenal gland to show how the endocrine gland or hormone system coordinate on our body activities. So there are two adrenal glands in our body, one on the top of kidney, as we can see here. It is present in the top of kidney, and one is present in the top of kidney. As I have adrenal gland make adrenaline hormones. The adrenaline hormones prepare our body to function the maximum efficiency during emergency situation like danger, anger, excitement, etc. These happen as follow. When we are faced with a dangerous situation like being chased by a ferocious dog, then our nervous system stimulates the adrenal gland to secrete the more adrenal hormones into our body. These adrenaline hormones increase our heartbeat, breathing rate, blood flow into the muscles, and cause liver to put more stored glucose in our food, blood. All these action of adrenaline hormones produce a lot of energy in a very quickly, and this energy help us to run away very fast from a dog and to save ourselves. In this way of adrenaline hormones prepare our body to run away very fast from frightening objects. Similarly, it is adrenaline hormones which prepare our body to fight an enemy, say a burglar in our house, by providing us a lot of energy in a very short time. A lot of adrenaline hormones is also secreted by adrenal gland when we are angry or excited. The rapid output of energy thus cause help us to cope with these extreme emotion situations. The complete coordination in the human body is achieved by the nervous system and endocrine system working together. The main center in the body of the coordination of two systems of control are the hypothalamus and pituitary gland. The hypothalamus plays an important role in collecting information for all the regions of the brain and from blood vessels. So we will learn one by one about all those glands in our next coming video.